G'day, welcome to the Savannah and Cody cooking show. We're back with a new episode today and we're cooking Sriracha Chicken.
Sriracha Chicken!
So we've got about a kilo of chicken breast, not diced, not nothing, literally just whole breast put in there because we're going to do the dicing and the cutting and all that sort of stuff later. We've got all our ingredients here that we are going to use and we're going to get cooking, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to prep this, let it sit in the marinade for a couple of hours. We're going to whack it in the oven at 190 degrees a bit later. Midday here now, so hopefully it'll be right and ready for us for dinner. First up, we've got one onion. I'm going to do the cutting of the onion because I'm going to have the tears, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want no more tears?
I don't want any tears.
You don't want any tears?
Nah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Maybe I should get you to get the swim goggles. Isn't that the trick when you...
Yes. I'm not getting them for you.
You're not getting them for me?
Yep.
Oh, that's not exactly fair.
They're my size swim goggles, and
Your
I don't
size swim
want to.
goggles. Alright, so we're just peeling that onion. We're going to dice it in our handy little dicer mixer.
Okay, I'm starting to cry.
Starting to cry? But you said you weren't going to tear up.
I don't know why. I'm starting to cry.
I'm the one cutting.
Okay.
It's okay. It's only Sriracha chicken.
Yeah.
Alright, so look, I'm just cutting it into some rough chunks so I can throw it into our handy little ripcord pull blitzer thing here. Probably got a fancy name, but I don't know what it is.
Rip blitzer?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Call it whatever you want.
Huh.
The lid.
Oh, yep, I'm crying.
And then let me just double check. Yep, good. So make sure one hand stays on top, pushing down, pull the ripcord. Good, you keep pulling. Good. While Savannah's doing that, I'm going to look at our tomato paste. You've just got your handy satchels here. We're going to aim to put 3 tablespoons. Let's see if we can open it. We're doing this. I am measuring a bit today, just because probably want to be able to calorie count it a bit later. That's one. How you going then?
Good.
Good.
We don't want that to get close to the edge.
Yeah, make sure you don't go off the edge.
I reckon that is about ready.
About ready?
Yep. A few more pulls and then it's ready.
Are you happy with it, are you?
Yep. I think it's ready.
Alright, good. Alright, so we've got 3 of them. Then what we're going to do is we've got 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
Yay, yummy.
Just going to grab our trusty measuring device here. 1, 2, and a squirt for good luck.
Yep.
Good. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now, we're actually going to use dairy-free yogurt because we have a member of the family who's dairy intolerant, so it doesn't have any dairy, don't we?
Yep. And
Cool.
that's Mum.
And that's Mum, yep. So do you want to take 2 nice big spoonfuls and dollop that in there in the middle?
Ooh.
2
That's
spoonfuls?
what I want. Yep.
Perfect, good. Lid back on. We're going to whack that back in the fridge. We're going to put a bit of salt, pepper. We'll mix it all up in there. We've never cooked this before, have we?
Nope.
We are literally trying this first off. I found the recipe online and we are literally got the ingredients yesterday and aiming to make it today. So we're also going to throw a bit of thyme in. It's funny when I was asking you to get this from the cupboard, wasn't it? You were like, what time?
Yeah.
You thought I was talking about we had time.
Yeah.
Good dad joke there, isn't there?
Sort of.
Sort of. Sprinkle a bit of thyme. Alright, good. What else we got? A bit of chili powder. How much chili powder? Oh, there's a bit of chili powder.
I'm going to hate this.
I don't like too spicy things, do you?
Nope.
We got a bit of paprika.
I will literally breathe out fire. And I mean, I will literally breathe out fire.
Alright, good. Now we need to do a bit of mixing, don't we?
Yep.
Use that sharp knife. Oh, we're going to put the onion in. You did all the blending of the onion really well.
Yeah, and you forgot about it.
I did.
Oh, look at that. That's nice.
That was one full onion. You crying again?
Yep. Oh my god, it's hitting me. Oh my god.
Johnson, no more tears. Alright, onion is in. Now I need to do a little bit of a mixing job. See how good my mixing skills are. I have to get his hands on in here in a second. I'll just try to cover it in a little bit. And the beauty of this recipe that we're making actually is make a beautiful sauce thing with the leftover juices. Right? So we're just literally trying to cover every bit of the chicken with that mixture. How's it looking?
It looks so weird.
As you can see, that's starting to look quite nice.
Glad wrap. Well, it's actually called cling wrap, but who cares?
This is how quick and easy this is to prepare. It's only taking us a couple of minutes. We're going to whack this on it. We're going to stick it in the fridge for a couple of hours, aren't we? Then we'll come back later. We'll take it out, pop it in the oven for, I think it's about half an hour, 40 minutes, I think it is. I'll double check that, won't I? And then we've got our chicken for tonight. Cool.
Bag one. I am out.
Cool. We'll see you again shortly.
Hi, welcome back to the Savannah and Cody cooking show. Cody's gone and he's busy at the moment doing his business, and now it's only me. Okay, so the chicken has been marinating for 3 hours, and now we are going to put it in the oven and bake it at 190 degrees for 50 minutes. So we'll leave it there for 50 minutes and I will be back shortly. Now this has been in the oven for 50 minutes and this is what it looks like.